Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome to the East Coast Metal Roofing Win a Free Roof contest. It occurred September 16th through the end of December. Any homeowner that decided to move forward with a metal roof from East Coast Metal Roofing was entered into this drawing. And we've got 146 entries spinning around on this wheel currently. We are live here at East Coast Metal Roofing headquarters. It is 12 o'clock on January 6, 2025, and we're about ready to see who is going to win a free roof. We've got entries anywhere from 5,000 up to about 180,000. So good luck and Happy New Year, and here we go. Click to spin. Here we go. Always zoom right in on that. And Donald, Sanford, and Karen. Donald, Sanford, and Karen, congratulations. You have won the East Coast Metal Roof Win a Free Roof giveaway for this season. And Happy New Year, folks. East Coast Metal Roofing, this is Paul.
Hey, Paul, this is Karen Sanford.
The reason I'm calling, I just wanted to say Happy New Year, number one.
Oh, thank you.
I also wanted to say congratulations, number two.
On what?
You won the free roof.
What?
Yeah.
What? We
Oh,
won
yeah.
the free roof?
Yes, you did. We did the Facebook Live drawing at noon today, and you were the lucky customer that was selected.
Oh, my
So,
I never won anything. We've never won anything in our
well,
life.
you just won, I think it's like an $86,000 roof, so.
Oh, my God.
It's the largest one that we have given away to date. So congratulations. There was 146 entries, and you were the one lucky homeowner selected. Yeah, I just wanted to, obviously be the first one to call you and congratulate you. All right,
Okay,
well,
thank you so much.
this is my direct line. If you need anything, feel free to call or text. But congratulations once again, and Happy New Year.
Thank you. Happy New Year to you, too.
All right, have a good day.
Uh-huh.
All right.
Bye-bye.
All right. Bye-bye. All right. We're here over in Port Charlotte, down in Florida, with our free roof giveaway with our winners of this period. We got Karen and Dawn over here. Just want to congratulate them for the East Coast Metal Roofing free roof giveaway.
Thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
Amazing win.
Awesome. So what I'd like to ask you is, how was your experience with East Coast Metal Roofing, our certified installation crew, and the whole process?
Oh, it was wonderful. If I had that good of work done with everything I've done this year, I'd have been a very happy person.
The team was professional,
Very
friendly, very nice.
Awesome.
Yeah.
and Max, I'd suggest things or ask questions and stuff, and he'd always took the time to answer my questions and see if he could do what I liked.
Yep. So now, how about the roof itself? What made you choose metal versus what all the other options that were out there?
Well, we had a metal roof already, but it was the long pieces, and
We put it up in Charlie,
Charlie,
so it's getting old.
and it got dented very
They told
badly.
us it was going to rust, so we figured we'd go with something that wouldn't rust.
With the aluminum.
Yes, it was a steel one, right. And a brochure came in the mail, and it was a beautiful looking roof, and so we called, and the representative that came out, he actually, all the others did not do it, but he came out and he brought us product samples, and we were so impressed with it. We thought, we don't care about the cost. This is a good product.
Awesome.
It was a very good product.
Is there anything else that you can say about East Coast Metal Roofing in your experience with us?
We would recommend it for anybody that wants a metal roof.
Awesome.
We would.
Well,
I have friends who are not happy because they are not winning the roof. I said, well, you have to buy one to win.
yeah. Well, we do this periodically, and you're the first ones in Florida to actually win the roof, and we're happy that we're able to accommodate your needs. And you're gonna have some solar put up there also.
Yes, we are.
Which you can tie in with the product as well. All right, last but not least, I do want to congratulate you folks for winning our free roof giveaway.
Oh, we were so lucky indeed.
Now
So,
I'm just not going to make enough to buy a boat.
well, I appreciate the business, and we wish you the best. And if anything happens ever, you know how to get a hold of us, and we're here to stay.
We hope that you're very successful in Southwest Florida.
Awesome.